Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exam for MHA, that is Master of Hospital Administration, MBA Healthcare and Hospital Management, and MPH Master of Public Health for various university and institutes like CUT PG, Common University Entrance Test PG, Lucknow University, IIPH, Gandhinagar, Manipal University, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Jodhpur, AIMS Bhubaneswar, Nimhans Bangalore, JIPMER Puducherry, Lucknow University, Pune University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MHA, hospital administration and public health entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, hospital administrations and public health entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. So here first question is not safe disposal but good for soil building. Not safe disposal but good for soil building. Option A incineration, option B controlled tipping, option C composting, option D dumping. Correct answer is option C composting. So not safe disposal but good for soil building, that is known as composting. Composting is not safe disposal but it is good for soil building. Next question is plastic cover of syringes are disposed in. Plastic cover of syringes are disposed in. Option A red bag, option B yellow bag, option C black bag, option D blue bag. Correct answer is option C black bag. So plastic cover of syringes are disposed in black bag. Next question is waste sharps should be disposed in. Waste sharps should be disposed in. Option A black bag, option B yellow bag, option C white bag, option D yellow bag. Correct answer is option C white bag. Waste sharps should be disposed in white bag. So waste sharps should be disposed in white bag. Next question is true about incinerator is or are. True about incinerator is or are. Option A red bag can be incinerated. Option B no pre-treatment required. Option C yellow bag must be incinerated. Option D sharps must not be incinerated. Option D combustible matter must be above 30%. So true about incinerator is or are. So options that are true about incinerator is option C and D, that is yellow bag must be incinerated and sharps must not be incinerated. So true about incinerator are yellow bag must be incinerated and sharps must not be incinerated. So means of incinerator is in Hindi jalakar bhasm karna. So sharps, the option that are true about incinerator are yellow bag must be incinerated and sharps must not be incinerated. Next question is incineration is not done for. Incineration, that is in Hindi it is like a bhatti. This means jalakar bhasm karna. So incineration is not done for. Incineration is not done for. Option A anatomical waste, option B sharp waste, option C cytotoxic drugs, option D radioactive waste, option E animal waste. So among anatomical waste, sharp waste, cytotoxic drugs, radioactive waste, animal waste, incineration is not done for sharp waste and radioactive waste. So for sharp waste and radioactive waste, incineration is not done, and for anatomical waste, cytotoxic drugs and animal waste, incineration is done. Next question is true about inertization, all accept. True about inertization, all accept. Option A, mixing biomedical waste with cement. Option B, used for pharmaceutical waste. Option C, contaminates water sources. Option D, not useful for infectious waste. Correct answer is option C, that is contaminates water sources. So contaminates water sources. This option is not true about inertization. And option A, B and D, that is mixing biomedical waste with cement, used for pharmaceutical waste and not useful for infectious waste. These statements are true about inertization. In Hindi, means of inertization is that this is a process जिसमें पाइप या बोरवेल के रास्ते कंप्रेस्ड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड या नाइट्रोजन भेजी जाती है. इसका प्रयोग जनरली तब करते हैं जब खान में आग लग जाती है. इनर्टाइजेशन से आग की इंटेंसिटी कम हो जाती है और विस्फोट होने की संभावना घट जाती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इंसिनरेशन इज डन फॉर बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट management, that is BMW categories. Option A, first only. Option B, 3 and 6,7. Option D, 1, 2, 3. Option D, 1, 2, 3, 6. Correct answer is option D, that is 1, 2, 3, 6. Incineration is done for BMW categories 1, 2, 3, 6. Next question is waste disposal of placenta after delivery is done by. Waste disposal of placenta after delivery is done by. Option A, disposing it in blue bags. Option B, autoclaving. Option C, incineration. Option D, microwaving. Correct answer is incineration. So waste disposal of placenta after delivery is done by incineration. Waste disposal of placenta after delivery is done by incineration. Next question is all are incinerated except. All are incinerated except. Option A, human anatomical waste. Option B, animal waste. Option C, infected solid waste. Option D, broken thermometers. Correct answer is option D, broken thermometers. So all are incinerated except broken thermometers. Broken thermometers are not incinerated. And human anatomical waste, animal waste, infected solid waste, these can be incinerated. Next question is urine bags and catheters. Biomedical waste will be disposed in. Urine bags and catheters, biomedical waste will be disposed in. Option A, yellow bag. Option B, red bag. Option C, white container. Option D, blue bag. Correct answer is red bag. So urine bags and catheters, biomedical waste will be disposed in red bag. Next question is biomedical waste mixing with cement is known as. Biomedical waste mixing with cement is known as. Option A, incineration. Option B, inertization. Option C, shredding. Option D, autoclaving. Correct answer is option B, inertization. So biomedical waste mixing with cement is known as inertization. Biomedical waste mixing with cement is known as inertization. Next question is advantage of single chamber incinerator. Advantage of single chamber incinerator. Option A, low pollutant emissions. Option B, effective for thermally resistant articles. Option C, good efficiency. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option C, good efficiency. Advantages of single chamber incinerator are good efficiency. So good efficiency are the advantage of single chamber incinerator. Next question is blood spills in Indian hospitals are disinfected by dash compounds. Blood spills in Indian hospitals are disinfected by dash compounds. Option A, quaternary ammonium. Option B, chlorine based. Option C, phenyl based. Option D, alcohol based. Correct answer is chlorine based. So blood spills in Indian hospitals are disinfected by chlorine based compounds. Next question is cytotoxic drugs disposal mechanism in India is. Cytotoxic drug disposal mechanism in India is. Option A, incineration. Option B, microwaving. Option C, autoclaving. Option D, dry heat. Correct answer is option A, incineration. Cytotoxic drugs disposal mechanism in India is incineration. Next question is, according to Biomedical Waste Rule 2016, incineration, deep burial, plasma pyrolysis is done for bag having color code. According to Biomedical Waste Rule 2016, incineration or deep burial or plasma pyrolysis is done for bag having color code. Option A blue, option B red, option C yellow, option D white, option D E none. Correct answer is yellow. So according to Biomedical Waste Rule 2016, incineration or deep burial or plasma pyrolysis is done for bag having color code yellow. Next question is, body fluids and fetuses are classified under this category of waste. Option A infectious waste, option B pathological waste, option C genotoxic waste, option C humanized waste. Correct answer is option B pathological waste. So body fluids and fetuses are classified under pathological waste. Body fluids and fetuses are classified under pathological waste. Next question is, cytotoxic drug is disposed in. Cytotoxic drug is disposed in option A yellow bag, option B red bag, option C blue bag, option D black bag. Correct answer is option A yellow bag. Cytotoxic drug is disposed in yellow bag. So cytotoxic drug is disposed in yellow bag. Next question is, following blood transfusion, blood bags are disposed to which color coded bin? Following blood transfusion, blood bags are disposed to which color coded bin? Option A red, option B yellow, option C blue, option D white. Correct answer is yellow. Following blood transfusion, blood bags are disposed yellow color coded bin. Next question is, biodegradable waste products disposing in which of the color code of the bags? Biodegradable waste products disposing in which of the color code of the bags? Option A blue, option B black, option C green, option D yellow. Correct answer is yellow. Biodegradable waste products disposing in yellow color code of the bags. Next question is, 3D means in hospital waste management is. 3D means in hospital waste management is option A disinfection, disposal, drainage, option B discard, disinfection, drainage, option C destruction, deep burial, drainage, option D destruction, deep burial, disposal. Correct answer is option A disinfection, disposal, drainage. So 3D means in hospital waste management is disinfection, disposal, drainage. So 3D means in hospital waste management is disinfection, disposal, drainage. This is a very important question. So in this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Hospital Administration, MBA Healthcare and Hospital Management, and Master of Public Health for various university and institutes like CUT PG, Lucknow University, IIPH, Gandhinagar, Manipal University, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, NIMHANS Bangalore, JIPMER Pondicherry, Pune University, Lucknow University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.